Imagine stepping off the train in Lucerne, Switzerland, a city nestled between the Swiss Alps and the sparkling Lake Lucerne. The fresh alpine air fills your lungs as you marvel at the spectacular mountainous backdrop that frames this enchanting city. As you breathe in your surroundings, you are instantly transported to a world where modernity meets medieval charm, where the narrow streets echo with the whispers of history, and where the rhythm of life is as serene as the lake that cradles the city. Lucerne is more than just a city. It's a living, breathing tapestry of culture, history, and natural beauty. It's a place where each cobblestone tells a story, where every tower and spire reaches out to the heavens, and where the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps stand as silent sentinels, watching over the city as they have done for centuries. As a first-time visitor, your heart is aflutter with anticipation. There's an entire city waiting to be discovered. A city that promises an unforgettable journey of exploration and discovery. From the iconic Chapel Bridge to the charming Old Town, from the poignant Lion Monument to the breathtaking Lake Lucerne, there's a wealth of treasures waiting to be discovered, and the best part? Many of them won't cost you a single Swiss franc. Imagine strolling along the cobbled streets of the Old Town, soaking up the medieval charm that permeates every nook and cranny. Picture yourself standing at the foot of the Musegg Wall, gazing up at the 9 towers that stand as a testament to Lucerne's rich past. Visualize the sun setting over Lake Lucerne, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink as the day gives way to night. This is Lucerne, a city that captivates the heart and stirs the soul. A city that invites you to delve into its history, to experience its culture, and to immerse yourself in its breathtaking natural beauty. With a sense of adventure and curiosity, our tourist sets off to discover the city's treasures that won't cost a dime. Our journey begins at the iconic Chapel Bridge, one of Lucerne's most famous landmarks. This stunning covered bridge, known as Kapellbrücke, is the oldest of its kind in Europe, steeped in centuries of history. Constructed in the 14th century, the Chapel Bridge was once part of the city's fortifications, playing a crucial role in Lucerne's past. As you walk across this historic bridge, you'll be captivated by the charm of its old wooden structure and its series of triangular roof panels, each depicting significant events from Lucerne's history. But the Chapel Bridge is not just about history. Its strategic location over the Reuss River provides breathtaking views of the city's picturesque Old Town and the majestic Swiss Alps in the distance. Also noteworthy is the octagonal water tower that stands adjacent to the bridge, another iconic symbol of Lucerne. Crossing the Chapel Bridge is a must-do in Lucerne, and it's completely free. Next, we wander through the narrow streets of Lucerne's charming Old Town. Picture this, a labyrinth of winding streets, each turn revealing a new marvel of medieval architecture. The Old Town, or Altstadt as the locals call it, is a treasure trove of historic squares, intricate facades, and picturesque charm. Our journey starts with the well-preserved medieval architecture that adorns the Old Town. Imagine buildings that have stood the test of time, their exteriors narrating tales of the bygone era. The rustic charm of these structures, coupled with their enduring strength, paints a vivid picture of Lucerne's rich history. As we meander through the narrow streets, we stumble upon the town's historic squares. Each square, with its unique character, serves as a silent witness to the city's past. From bustling markets to tranquil open spaces, these squares are the beating heart of Lucerne's Old Town. They are places where locals and visitors alike gather to enjoy the city's vibrant atmosphere. In the Old Town, every corner, every alley, every cobblestone street is a testament to Lucerne's picturesque charm. The fusion of the old and the new, the historic and the contemporary, lends the town a unique allure. Nestled amidst this blend is an array of quaint shops, inviting cafes, and artisanal boutiques. These establishments, with their enticing offerings, add to the Old Town's vibrant appeal. But the true charm of Lucerne's Old Town lies not just in its architecture or its squares, but in its atmosphere. The town exudes a sense of tranquility that's rare in our fast-paced world. Walking through its streets, you can't help but feel a sense of calm, a sense of belonging. It's a place that invites you to slow down, to soak in the sights, and to immerse yourself in its rich cultural tapestry. Roaming through the Old Town is like stepping back in time, and it's a completely free experience. So why not lose yourself in the narrow streets of Lucerne's Old Town? Let the town's timeless allure captivate your senses and transport you where history and charm coexist in perfect harmony. From the Old Town, it's a short walk to the Musegg Wall and the poignant lion monument. As we make our way from the heart of Lucerne, we come across an imposing structure, the Musegg Wall. This well-preserved medieval city wall is an enduring symbol of Lucerne's rich history. Built in the 14th century, the Musegg Wall is a testament to the city's past, a time when walls were essential for protection and defense. The wall stretches over a kilometer in length, with 9 towering watchtowers piercing the skyline. Each tower is unique, bearing its own name and history. Some of these towers are open to the public, and climbing to their tops rewards you with panoramic views that are nothing short of breathtaking. From these vantage points, you can drink in the beauty of Lucerne, Lake Lucerne, and the surrounding Swiss Alps. From the Musegg Wall, let's journey a little further to the Lion Monument, or the Lowendenkmal, as it's known locally. This deeply moving sculpture is more than just a piece of art. It's a tribute to the heroism and sacrifice of the Swiss guards who lost their lives during the French Revolution. The monument depicts a dying lion carved into a sandstone rock face, a symbol of strength and courage in the face of adversity. The Lion Monument was designed by Danish sculptor Bertel Thorvaldsen and hewn in 1820 by Lucas Ahorn. Mark Twain once described it as the most mournful and moving piece of stone in the world. The lion's poignant expression, the broken spear, the protective shield, every detail adds to the monument's emotional impact. Both the Musegg Wall and the Lion Monument offer glimpses into Lucerne's past, painting a picture of a city that has been shaped by history and resilience. And the best part? You can immerse yourself in these historical sites without spending a penny. After all, the richness of a city's history cannot be measured in monetary terms, but in the stories it has to tell and the memories it leaves with its visitors. Both the Musegg Wall and the Lion Monument offer a peek into Lucerne's past at no cost. Now, let's stroll along the Reuss River Promenade and the shores of Lake Lucerne. The Reuss River Promenade is truly a sight to behold. As you walk, the river flows gently beside you, its crystal clear water reflecting the vibrant colors of the cityscape. This promenade is a lively hub for locals and visitors alike. It's a place where people come to relax, to socialize, or simply to soak in the picturesque views. Imagine the charming bridges that span the river, each with their unique architecture and history. They serve as perfect frames for the historical buildings that line the promenade. These structures, some dating back to medieval times, showcase Lucerne's rich architectural heritage. Their pastel-colored facades, adorned with intricate details, create a captivating mix of old and new. As you continue your stroll, you'll find yourself at the shores of Lake Lucerne. Here, the city's hustle and bustle gives way to serene tranquility. The sprawling lake, enveloped by the towering Swiss Alps, presents a breathtaking panorama. The water's surface, with its ever-changing hues, mirrors the sky above and the mountains around. It's a spectacle that changes with the day, each hour bringing a new tableau of colors and light. The shore is a perfect spot to pause and take in the beauty. Perhaps you'll see a fleet of sailboats gliding across the lake, their sails billowing in the wind. Or you might spot a group of swans, their white plumage contrasting against the blue of the lake, adding to the scene's tranquility. As you walk along, you'll find spots to sit and watch the world go by. You might even catch a glorious sunset, the sky ablaze with colors, and the lake reflecting this spectacle. It's a moment when time seems to stand still, and all you can do is marvel at nature's grandeur. Walking along the Reuss River Promenade and the Lake Lucerne Shore is a feast for the eyes, and it's absolutely free. Lucerne's beauty is generously shared, and these walks offer a testament to that. So take your time, stroll leisurely, and let the city's charm seep into your soul. Next, we explore Kornmarkt Square and St. Peter's Chapel. Welcome to Kornmarkt Square, a quaint spot nestled in the heart of Lucerne's Old Town. This historical square, once a busy marketplace, is a charming blend of the old and the new. Its cobblestone pathways tell tales of the past, while the vibrant cafes and boutiques cater to the present. At the center of the square, you'll find a beautiful fountain, a symbol of the city's rich history. known as the Fritchie Fountain. It's a tribute to the legendary Fritchie family, who are celebrated each year during the city's colorful carnival. Now, let's turn our attention to St. Peter's Chapel, a short stroll away from the Kornmarkt Square. As one of the oldest churches in Lucerne, its exterior alone is a sight to behold. The chapel's clock tower, the oldest in the city, commands attention with its imposing stature and intricate detailing. The clock, which dates back to the 14th century, still keeps time, ticking away in rhythm with the heartbeat of the city. The chapel itself, with its richly decorated facade and ornate Gothic detailing, is a testament to Lucerne's architectural heritage. Its exterior is a fascinating blend of the medieval and the modern, offering a window into the city's rich and layered history. Visiting Kornmarkt Square and admiring St. Peter's Chapel are delightful experiences that won't cost you anything. Our journey continues at the Richard Wagner Museum Park and along Haldenstrasse. This park, though surrounding a museum that does have an entrance fee, is a haven of tranquility that can be enjoyed by all, absolutely free of charge. It's a true gem, nestled by the lake, and affords some lovely views of the water's edge. The park is a testament to the peace and serenity that Lucerne is renowned for, and it's a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll, a picnic, or even a quiet moment of reflection. Now let's saunter over to Haldenstrasse, a charming street that perfectly encapsulates the spirit of this vibrant city. It's lined with historical buildings that whisper tales of the past, boutiques brimming with unique finds, and cafes that serve up a slice of local life along with delicious treats. Every step along Haldenstrasse is a step through time, a journey through the city's history and its present. From the architectural gems to the inviting aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafting from the cafes, Haldenstrasse is a sensory delight. It's a place where you can take a leisurely stroll, soak in the local vibe, and enjoy the architectural charm of the area. Exploring the Richard Wagner Museum Park and strolling along Haldenstrasse are free activities that allow you to enjoy the beauty of Lucerne. Now, as our journey in Lucerne comes to an end, let's recap the free activities that we've explored today. Lucerne is a Swiss city that wears its history on its sleeve, offering a plethora of free activities that allow you to soak in its beauty and cultural richness. From the iconic Chapel Bridge, a wooden footbridge spanning the Reuss River, to the stunning exterior of the Jesuit Church, a Baroque architectural masterpiece, Lucerne is a city that celebrates its past. In the heart of Lucerne, you'll find the Old Town, a treasure trove of medieval architecture, narrow cobblestone streets, and historic squares. Here you can wander through time, exploring places like Kornmarkt Square, a charming square with historic buildings and a fountain, or St. Peter's Chapel, a medieval church with a clock tower that stands as a testament to Lucerne's rich history. Not to be missed is the Musegg Wall, a well-preserved medieval city wall that offers panoramic views of Lucerne, Lake Lucerne, and the surrounding mountains. Equally impressive is the Lion Monument, a poignant sculpture that commemorates the Swiss guards who died during the French Revolution. Lucerne's natural beauty is also on full display at the shores of Lake Lucerne and the Richard Wagner Museum Park. The park, while surrounding a museum that requires a fee, is free to enjoy and offers stunning lakefront views. Similarly, the outdoor area of the Swiss Museum of Transport, home to vintage vehicles and aircraft, is free to explore. The city also invites you to stroll along the Reuss River Promenade, Haldenstrasse, and the Richard Wagner Terrace, where you can enjoy the picturesque views of the river, historical buildings, and the breathtaking backdrop of Lake Lucerne and the mountains. In conclusion, Lucerne offers a wealth of free activities that allow you to immerse yourself in its history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're exploring ancient city walls, admiring Baroque architecture, or simply enjoying a leisurely walk along the lake, there's something for everyone in Lucerne. Lucerne is a city that is rich in culture, history, and natural beauty. And the best part is, you can enjoy all of these for free.